Ever get stuck endlessly scrolling on TikTok and wish you could just chill out? Well, TikTok's new feature might be your vibe. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech and app update HQ. Let's jump into this. TikTok just rolled out an in-app guided meditation feature to help you sleep better and break that late-night scroll. Curious how it works and who it's for? Stick with us to find out. We've all been there, doom scrolling TikTok at midnight, losing track of time. But now TikTok's stepping up with a brand new feature to help you unwind and catch better Z's. Say hello to their in-app guided meditation exercise. Here's the deal. TikTok started testing this feature with select teens earlier this year, and now it's rolling out to everyone. The goal? Help you relax, improve your sleep, and maybe even put the phone down during their endless scroll sessions. Sounds refreshing, right? For teens under 18, this feature is a game changer. It's turned on by default. If they're still on TikTok after 10 p.m., they'll get a guided meditation prompt encouraging them to wind down for a restful night. Ignore it and keep scrolling? No problem. TikTok hits them with a second full-screen reminder. It's like a gentle nudge to prioritize sleep. This isn't just a one-off. TikTok's been beefing up teen safety features for years, responding to concerns about the app's impact on younger users. From time limits to content filters, they're doubling down on making the app a safer space, and this meditation feature is a big part of that push. Now, if you're an adult and want in on the zen, it's super easy. Just head to TikTok's screen time settings and toggle on the sleep hours feature. You can even pick the exact time you want that meditation exercise to pop up every night. Customize it to fit your schedule, and you're set for a calmer bedtime routine. And TikTok's not stopping there. They're also donating $2.3 million in ad credits to 31 mental health organizations across 19 countries through their mental health education fund. That's a serious commitment to supporting mental wellness worldwide. So let's wrap it up. TikTok's new guided meditation feature helps teens and adults sleep better with easy settings to make it your own. Plus, their mental health donations show they're serious about making a difference. Whether you're a late-night scroller or just want a healthier TikTok habit, this update's got you covered. What do you think of TikTok's meditation feature? Gonna try it to boost your sleep? Drop a comment below and let's chat. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech updates.